Diane in Denmark here, rah rah rah, good morning. It is Monday the 20th of February, dark and dull in Copenhagen this morning, but it's all okay. We've got the hygge going on, got the candles lit. Check in with you every single day in February, and we're looking for one item to declutter. We're taking it from there, just looking for one thing. And this week, if you are joining me, I use the Flylady system. If you're joining me in that, we are in the master bedroom, Flylady Zone 4. And guess what? I've got a few items to show you this morning. And listen, don't get too comfy. I'm not usually sitting down for these videos, but I want to remind you about weekly home blessing in a wee minute. Anyway, a pair of hygge sokker, which in Danish means comfy socks, cozy socks. Now, as a winter bather and ice swimmer, I've got quite a lot of cozy socks. But I got these ones from my friend Jen for Christmas, along with a really nice mug. So this pair is going out. So, you know, it's the usual thing, one pair in, one pair out. And I've got my bag ready for the items which are going in the clothes swap. So that goes straight into the bag. A scarf that I got at one of our swap parties. Didn't really enjoy wearing it, so that is going. Those of you who have been following me for years and years will have seen this blouse. And I tried changing it because the sleeves were too kind of floppy and there was a lot going on with it. I've realised that the reason I don't wear it, or I've managed to wear it a few times and I've kind of calmed it down a bit by wearing something of another colour on top. I am a type 1-4 in the Dressing Your Truth system. That's what I use for my capsule wardrobe. And the connected prints, anything that's kind of really connected or small flowers, all of those things, I just, they don't feel good on me and they don't look good on me. I prefer more graphic t-shirts or disconnected patterns, stripes, polka dots, not my favourite pattern, but I can do some polka dots. But this one, I've tried and tried, but I realised the other day that's why this is one of the only patterned things, connected pattern tops that I have in my wardrobe. So this is going, and this one is on probation, which means I'm going to be wearing it soon to give it one last chance. And again, you can see it's the connected pattern. I think that's the problem. And I've tried wearing other things on the top, but it's very loose, it's very flowy. And I've also tried putting some spray starch on it. So I think I'm going to wear it one last time and let's see if that ends up going as well. And yes, the colours are really pretty, but you can see I just kind of disappear with these connected patterns. A pullover sweater vest that I haven't really worn. It's just a bit too oversized. I'm not into oversized sweaters. I like my clothes to be fitted. So at the moment, with all these oversized things and with the sleeves that start down here, that's not my thing. And a lip pencil that I don't like. And a pair of shoes. It feels really weird having the shoes up here because in Denmark we only wear indoor shoes or hygge sokker, cozy, comfy socks, or slippers. Anyway, these ones, they were just really uncomfy, and actually they're too flat. I like a bit of lift in my sneakers. And while we're talking about comfy shoes and slippers, these are the ones, remember I was talking about I wanted slippers for my Christmas, and these, I absolutely love them. And remember, I don't do any sponsored content, no affiliate links, blah, 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 blah. They are wool slippers, and they've got the rubber sole. You can actually wear these outside, and these are so cozy and comfy, and I just love wearing them. At the end of the day, when I put these on, I just relax, and they're super warm. So if you're looking for a pair of slippers, go for these wool ones with the rubber sole. They're really great, especially if you've got a big old house like ours and it can be cold on the flooring. A little reminder that it is Monday, which is in Flylady land, as I like to call it. It's weekly home blessing hour, you know, the 1 hour clean of your house. If you've just started with the Flylady system, you don't need to worry too much about the baby steps. Just declutter along with me, but make sure you do your weekly clean. And the weekly clean is we're just setting a timer for 10 minutes and spending 10 minutes on each of the tasks. We're not doing the whole house, we're just doing the high traffic areas in your house. So for me, that is the hall, the kitchen, the living room. So that's what I'm going to be doing today after I finish work, and I'm also going to be changing the sheets. I love this duvet cover. This is one that we got from IKEA, I don't know, 12 years ago, 15 years ago, one of my favourites. Anyway, that's being changed today as soon as I've finished work. Anyway, you go and get on with your day. Let me know what you can declutter today. Just go for one item. Doesn't need to be in Flylady Zone 4. Work wherever you want. And remember to like the video, subscribe, share it with a friend. And I'll see you back here tomorrow, Tuesday, February the 21st. Pancake Day. We remind you about that, Shrove Tuesday. Anyway, off you go with the raft. Bye for now.